G'day guys, Dean here from MoTackle Outdoors. If you're anything like me, you don't like a mess in your boat, and even more so, I don't like getting hooks in me. So this is not something new, it's been around for a while, but for me, this is new and I thought I want to show you guys. This is the Okuma Sabiki UTG. And it's a hollow rod that is designed to take my Sabiki bait jig. So while this is fully rigged bait jig right now with the 8 hooks on it, and there is nothing exposed, nothing to get tangled, and nothing to get hooked on. So as soon as I get over the top of the bait, I can just click my reel into gear, and away she goes. And when you're winding it back in, you simply wind in all the hooks, swivel, everything goes into the rod, out of the way. So because the bait jig's all contained in here, I can fish by myself, I can drive the boat, I don't have to worry about hooking anything. As soon as you get onto the bait, simply put it in free spool and the whole lot just rolls out. So it really is that simple, guys, and it's so clean. I can have this sitting like this and I can stick it back in the side pockets of my boat. No one's going to get hooked, and I can put it away and, oh, there we go. And I'm on the bait. So I can leave this set up in the boat, and as soon as I find bait, I can drop it down. There's no wasting any time. Two, Taylor.